In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect and remove personal data in PowerPoint. This is a quick, reliable way to clean a presentation before you share it, so you don't accidentally include comments, author details, or other hidden content you didn't intend to distribute. Start by opening your presentation, then go to the File tab in the upper left corner. In the Info section, look for the Check for Issues button. Click it and choose Inspect Document. This opens a built-in tool called the Document Inspector. It's designed to scan your file for personal or hidden data that isn't always obvious when you're editing slides normally. If PowerPoint asks you to save the file before inspecting, that's normal. Go ahead and continue so it can review the most current version. In the Document Inspector window, click Inspect. PowerPoint will quickly scan the presentation and report back on several categories. You'll see whether it found anything in areas like comments and annotations, document properties and author information, hidden text or slides, and headers, footers, or custom XML. Think of this as a comprehensive checklist of the places sensitive or private details often hide. Next, decide what you want to remove. For each category where something is found, click Remove All if you want that content deleted. For example, choosing Remove All for comments and annotations will strip out feedback threads from collaborators. Removing document properties and author information clears things like author names, company fields, and other metadata that can identify who worked on the file. If hidden text or slides are flagged, removing them will clear content that's out of view but still present in the file. And if headers, footers, or custom XML appear, removing them can erase identifying templates, IDs, or embedded data you don't want to share. When PowerPoint asks you to confirm a removal, accept the prompt to proceed. You can repeat, remove all across as many categories as you need. After you've cleared the items you want gone, close the inspector. At this point, save the presentation. Saving locks in the cleanup so the removed information doesn't reappear. Keep in mind that until you save, you can still undo the removals if you changed your mind. Once saved, those items are permanently cleared from the file. That's it. You've inspected your presentation and removed personal or hidden data, ensuring it's polished and safe to share.